Okay, so we wanted to do a quick tutorial because there's not a lot out there about MidJourney. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos about image weight. A lot of the videos are about combining photos or like kind of centered around image weight, and if you just Google a simple MidJourney combined photos sort of thing, most websites will tell you that the image weight max is like 5, or some say that the ideal is 0.25. I mean, I tested that over and over and over and over and over, and I found a pretty sweet spot for that. But I should say, he has found a better way, and we'd like to share that with you. And that's so we're using 2 examples here. They're just easy. So we got these ocarinos, you know what I'm saying, and us right there, as you can see. And so what we'll do is we will open it up, copy the link, close that, go into the Imagine prompt, paste it, space, and then go to the photo of yourself. So this is the photo we just took a couple seconds ago. Copy that link as well, space it into that, boom, and then dash space V4, and then this will
dash V space 4.
dash V space. Yeah, so again,
dash V space 4.
Yeah, exactly. So here's that, and then beyond even that, so after this we'll show you like the things that you can add into it, things like we'll show you. So just let that one go. See and yeah, see, it's starting to come along. Or it's just adding an extra scene, and that's just, I mean, those are the percentages of that. That's done. Okay, so upscaling one, hit all the version 4s, remaster it. And then, so this is just kind of like, and then we'll hit like one more remaster. Okay, so then for the sake of it, again, we will take this link, again, put it into the prompt, space it, go that one, so that way, put a space in between each one. And now let's just say, okay, in any scenario that we want, so let's just generate, let's just not, I want to say like in a mass casualty, but like cyberpunk style. Yeah, let's just put in cyberpunk style, futuristic, in a futuristic setting. So we'll put in the 2 links, a space, and then whatever you want. Cyberpunk style, in a futuristic setting. Then from there, you can add things such as, typical 3D render, 8K, hyper detailed, hyper realistic. You can go down to the detailization all the way up to 50,000, I believe. But that's pretty much that. So let's just let that one run as well. But I mean, There's something. Some of them have stopped. Something. Can stop. Definitely. You like that one? That is very tricky. I don't know if they added the fucking the Ghostbusters dust. Oh, see? Okay, so here we go. Is this a different version of that photo? Cyberpunk style? So, see the Cyberpunk style? Open that one up again.
Oh, also.
I mean, see, generally in the beginning they kind of start off like shite, but that's why you can upscale them all. And then I like to hit all the different versions of them and then remaster it just because, and then you go from there because then it opens up about, I mean, like endless possibilities. Truly. So. Okay, even going. But those are still upscaling. Maybe we should stop them.
We should finish this.
You think so?
Yeah, it just takes a second. We can do this the other ones that we did with the combinations. I was trying to make these my niece.
Yeah, show the original picture of that. So, example, that's his niece, and he's able to make that ones.
And these are my cat.
Yeah.
Like a cyberpunk.
Cyberpunk.
It kind of looks like my cat.
Very sad, Alex. But yeah, see
This picture. This one also looks like you.
that one. Yeah, some of them kind of look like me. Some of them kind of look like us combined. We're not brothers, by the way. See, we're starting to. I don't like it. See, but then you can just start with all these different variations. We're getting like a very, very basic, like, that's just, you know, very simple prompts, cyberpunk style, and the futuristic setting. There's no 3D render, there's not the detail. You can go into all the different details. But this is generally just to kind of show you that you don't have to go through all of that image weight, finding all the different numbers, because I don't really even think there is a maximum of how much image weight you can add to something. Like, I think it's kind of unlimited. But, and I could be wrong, and I wish MidJourney would correct me, but we have found, that this is way more effective, way more fun, and the results are pretty good. So, like, look at that. Like, here we go. Now we're starting to kind of get somewhere. So we'll do one more. One more of these. And then I'll show you what I mean by like the hyper detail. And let's just actually turn this into orcs in a futuristic cyberpunk setting. So, copy link. Link. But not copy. Hell,
You hit Control C.
oh, did I? Darn it. So, add that. As orcs. Cyber style. 8K, hyper detailed. Oh, forgot we have no H. So we gotta do the old classic hyper detailed. Oh, I got it.
Control C.
Yeah. Detailed. Detail. Realistic. Not just as orcs, as cyborg, half cyborg. It's like half cyborg, and then hit it with that dash dash. Is no dash after this?
No space up.
Oh wow. There you go. So as you can see, it's a little bit more detailed. Usually adding hyper detailed, hyper realistic, 8K, 3D render. Yeah, hyper detailed, hyper specialized, all the different styles that you want. If you want this done in oil, pastel, Thomas Kincaid style, or if you wanted it done ancient classical style, I mean, it just goes on forever. It's pretty incredible. See, there we go. So, like, this is not. Is this my dream? No. Do I want to be a half cyborg or cyberpunk style? No. But that's just to give you an idea. So if you want to be a goddamn Barbie doll, you want to be a freaking Ken doll, you want to be a Fortnite player, you want to be
The top
anything.
left one actually is really sick.
If you want to be anything, this is the actual proper way to do it.
This is like a shadow punk
Yeah.
character.
I'll try to leave in like the description the link to how to get to MidJourney, how to sign up for that. I think they offer a free trial in the beginning, which is super beneficial, and I'll try my best in this next week to upload more tutorials on that as well. Tomorrow I will be moving. I don't know if we're in tonight, so I'm gonna be kind of busy, but